going on, everybody? Hey, it's a beautiful, beautiful Saturday morning, a 13-4 Saturday morning. Look at the sunrise coming up. Man, your boy is headed down to East Texas. I gotta go take, you know, me and my brother meet down there, you know, take care of some stuff with my mom. You know, it's been hard, you know, just a year ago, you know, we buried my brother, so my younger brother, so, you know, he was down there with mom, and we just couldn't, you know, that's who used to help mom. I'll say it like that. Because me and my brother stay up toward Dallas, Texas. I'm in Princeton, Texas. So we headed down here just to take care of some stuff with mama. Man, look at this water, y'all. I give it a couple of months. If it stay this hot, some of that to be done dried up. But yeah, man, we gotta go take care of mama. I'm in Farmersville city limits now, and I wanted to come on here and give you I'm on the new seat right now, on the Saddlemen seat. So yeah, I'm on here, and I just want to see how it's gonna do. Man, the backrest, I'm loving it. I can just lean back. I can't wait till I get the new bars on here, so I can have that little pullback, because the extended reach, I might could have went with the regular size seat. I might could have went with that seat, but I'm cool with this one here. Like I say, when I get the bars, they're going to come up and they're going to be like another 1.5 inches, almost 2 inches coming back towards me. Probably almost 3 inches, so that'll put me right back where I need to be. So yeah, the seat is comfortable, y'all. If you're looking for a great seat, go check out saddlemen.com. Or you can go to Amazon, check them out too, and click on the description down below. And I click the affiliate link down there. You will see on Amazon you can get them as well. So yeah, but yeah, we on our way down here, and we just gonna cruise, y'all. We ain't in no rush at all. I know I'm not in no rush, man. Not today, not today. Just get down here in one piece, man, because it's been, man, I've been seeing so many wrecks, man. People dying on the bikes. Oh my gosh. Lord, so we got to double check, triple check when you get ready to do something, man. Just, you know, slow down sometimes, you know. It's good. I know you want to get where you want to get going, you know, 80, 90 miles an hour, maybe 100. But man, sometimes it's good to just slow down and say, hey man, let's take it easy, and we'll all get down here safe and sound. Especially you traveling in a pack, man. Yeah. What up, y'all? Man, we in a little town called Lone Oak. It's a small little bit of town here, y'all. This is a little town here. Real peaceful and quiet when I come through here. You just gotta watch out for that one little police. He'll get you through here. I see there's 2 motorcyclists up there. Yeah, look at that, y'all. Hey, I passed quite a few of them this morning, riding early this morning. It's like, what, 7:18 right now? And just before I saw them, I done seen quite a few of them rolling. So yeah, it's the best time to ride is early in the morning or late in the evening, man, because it be so darn hot. Yeah, we got a trike, and look like we got a limited up there or something like that. But yeah, we're gonna keep on pushing through. It's like a 2.5 hour ride for me down, you know, down this way. So yeah, we're gonna keep on pushing it, baby. I hope they're gonna be getting it when we get on up here and out this little town, cause the speed limit gonna push up, cause just a little bit. But you see how small the school you got You got the elementary school, you got the middle school, and then you got the high school, y'all. That's just how small this town is right here. It's crazy, huh? Yeah, I go to high school right there. Very small. Yeah, man. But we're gonna keep moseying along. I just jump on the back of them. That's a husband and a wife. Yeah, they out just cruising this morning. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Just like me, I'm just out to cruise. That's all. Y'all, we have made it to I-20. Look like they working on the road finally, man, because this road was towed up. Hey y'all, when I say no issues with this seat, I'm already in Tyler, y'all. This is my first gas stop, and I'm finna burp this bike, y'all. So yeah, so I get back up with y'all when I get on this highway, okay? Been a good ride. The road sofa seat, 2 thumbs up. Yeah. I made it to Kilgore, Texas, man. This is where my mom people are from Kilgore, Texas. My big mama, my aunties, my uncles on my mom's side, this is where they are from right here. So yeah, man, we are down here. I'm probably about another 25 minutes away from my mom's house. She actually lives in Henderson, Texas. So if anybody know about Henderson, Texas, let me know in the comments if you know anything about the country down here, Henderson, Texas. So yeah, I gotta watch myself right here, y'all. I can't believe they can highway right here at 55 miles per hour. This is crazy. You see that right there? 55 miles per hour. Still on this 4-lane highway is 55. You know you in the country, man. You know you in the country. Boy, that heat is getting a little hotter, dude. But y'all, like I told you at the gas station, the 2 thumbs up on the Saddlemen road sofa seat for great comfort, man. Oh my God, I can't say enough about it, dude. I mean, no butt aches, y'all. No lower back pains. This seat, this seat is on point. Y'all, if you don't have it, man, like I said, go check out the website, saddlemen.com. Or you can click down in my description. You'll see it down there. It'll take you to my Amazon and Saddlemen. So yeah, check it out. But y'all, we're gonna stroll on through here and enjoy this country air, y'all. It's a little cooler down here because you know you got more trees and stuff like that. But I'm enjoying the ride on Khrome. But I'm telling you though, I can't wait till I get my bars, because the 10-inch risers with the 1.5-inch pullback, and then the 4-inch bars that I'm gonna have, so it'll pull it back just a little bit. It'll be almost right here at this tank. But right now you see my arms a little bit extended because of the extended reach seat. But I needed this seat because my legs, when I get ready to stretch out my legs and stuff like that, so I definitely needed this. So yeah, man, if you're in the market, Saddlemen, baby. This is my 3rd one. Yes sir. I sold my SDC seat. Kind of hate I did. I wish I would have kept it, but you know, somebody else making use of it, because it's probably been just sitting on my wall in the garage. So yeah, but let's get it, man. Let's enjoy this day. Oh my gosh. They still working on this craziness right here. I guess I go this way. I don't want to deal with all the bad bumps down through there. They still working on this. I thought they'd have been done with this by now. Show y'all a little bit of Kilgore. I should drive by downtown, but my brother is already almost down here, so I'm gonna keep on pushing, and then I might do it when I come back. Depends on how I feel. Cause I'm gonna go visit more family too, man. I'm just gonna enjoy my time down here while I'm down here. Cause like I said, I don't come home much. Not like I used to, man. I used to come home every weekend, y'all. Cause I used to be homesick when I first moved up that way. I had to come home, man. So yeah, some of you probably like that too. When you first moved off, man, you just feel homesick. But I'm telling you, it get better. And then one thing you'll do, you'll get tired of driving down that road right there. But yeah, that's Kilgore College right over here to my right. Oh my gosh. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. These bumps, y'all. But I got these Legends on the rear, but I think I'm going to change my front ones to Legends too as well. I'm gonna get the cartridges off in here. So yeah. Ooh, it done got warm. I'm sweating up in this helmet now, but we finna keep moving. You see that Kilgore College? I had a chance. I had a scholarship right there. I had a chance to go to school right there. East Texas Art Museum. I need to go in there, man. I've never been in there. So, but I'll get up with y'all later. Peace. We are here. Let me see if my mama want to be on camera.
Oh, take this in, unlock the door. I'm going to Walmart.
Say hello to the camera.
Don't do that. You ain't gonna put that on top.
Yes, I am. Look at y'all. Look at. This country air, man. Look at the bike, y'all. The cone, the seat, y'all. It actually looked really good on here. That seat looks really good on Khrome, man. I have no complaints at all. The only thing now, I just got to get my bars switched out, y'all. When I get the bars switched out, I'm gonna try to be done. I've been looking at more wheels too, but I might get the bars and call it quits. But man, like I say, if you're looking for that right there, look how good it looks. Dude, I'm gonna tell you, no butt pain, no back pain at all. I don't feel nothing, y'all. That road sofa is definitely the way to go if you're looking for a great seat to put long miles on, man. Because you know me, I travel long distance, and it actually looked good on the bike, man. I was kind of worried about how it was gonna look on the bike, but it looks really good on the bike. I got small accent pieces in red, like my Kelly D gliding right there. I got that little red sticker down there. Then I got the red trash plate right there, and then I have my filter is red as well. Just small little red pieces, man. What's the word for today, bro?
Keep the faith
and do good. Well, yo, we about done down here. Well, y'all, we just left my mom's house, man. My brother, this is my brother that's in front of me right now, and we headed up to his church, and I got to hook up some mics up there for some brand new mics that he got, so I got to run that. I know a lot of people see me play guitar. I run sound system. I hook people's sound system up in their churches as well. I have done that, and I still do it if somebody needs me, and I'll go run sound as well. I do that. I did it for my band for years, doing sound, and I learned from one of the best, my cousin, Glenn Washington. Yes, sir. But yeah, we're gonna head up to his church, man. It's been a beautiful day. We enjoyed hanging with mom and taking care of some stuff for her. You know, my mom is what, 70, 71, 72, 73, something like that. I can't even remember. But Yeah, so it's good always go check on your mom and take care of your mom. Make sure she good, that she got everything she needs, and make sure her house good, cause you know my mom lives here by herself. What up, y'all? We are headed back to Princeton, Texas, man. I had a great time down here with mom. I went by, visit my dad, and man, we just had a good time talking with him. You know, my dad's a preacher, man, so you gonna get a word. You gonna definitely get a word. That's what you gonna get, and it's gonna be a good word, man. My dad is one of them old school preachers. He gonna tell the truth regardless of what you think. So yeah, he gonna preach about all the sins. That's just my dad, and I appreciate him for that. You know, not taken down, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm on my way. My brother's in front of me. We finna head back. He's headed back toward the Soto area, and I'm headed back to Princeton. I'm gonna take the back road, but man, we're gonna end the video right here. Man, I just had a a good time down here, just with my mom, my dad, my brother. Man, you know, family is all we got, man. So I'm gonna say it like this: if you got anything against your brother, your sister, your mama, your daddy, man, forgive. I ain't gonna say forget. Forgive and go enjoy your family, man. Put them back in your life if they're not in your life, man. If you know, your children, if you ain't contacted them in years, man, go rekindle that relationship with your children, man. Because like I said, dude, man, my brother passed away in my life. That changed me, man. It changed the way I look at stuff. It changed the way I do stuff. But man, enjoy your family. Please do that, man. I mean, people be holding grudges for 30, 40, 50 years, and you die with that, man. That kind of stuff bring on sickness, man. Come on, man. Let's do better, man. So, hey, I'm out of here. Y'all have a blessed weekend, man. I'll probably be back down here for church, man. I got my brother's system set up right in his church. We did all new mics and everything, man. I try to help where I can. That's just me. That's just how I am. My mama asked me to come take care of some business, man, my brother, and we was down here taking care of business, man. So till next time, baby, the next grind, y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed day and have a great Sunday. I know I will, man. Y'all live. Y'all live your life and put God first. All right, I'm out, man. Yo, y'all, bonus footage, man. Hey, the seat is a go. Man, when I say I came all the way home, no back pains, no butt pains, nothing. Saddlemen roll sofa seat is on point. This is the first time I done got off the bike where I didn't feel so tired. My lower back and my buttocks, my lower lumbar used to be sore and hurting. But man, today, hey, I'm good, man. So yeah, but man, that's gonna be it. Bonus footage till next time. The next grind, baby. I'm out. Y'all have a blessed one. Ha! 2, 3.
We roll!